Niagara Falls. The name itself evokes images of raw power and breathtaking beauty. Imagine a place where millions of gallons of water cascade over towering cliffs every second. The roar of the falls is deafening, a symphony of nature's might. This is Niagara Falls, a natural wonder that has captivated humankind for centuries. The falls straddle the border between Canada and the United States. But there's something special about experiencing them from the Canadian side. Maybe it's the panoramic views, or perhaps it's the vibrant city that embraces the falls' energy. Whatever the reason, Niagara Falls, Canada offers a unique and unforgettable journey. The history of Niagara Falls is as captivating as its beauty. Carved by glaciers over 10,000 years ago, these falls have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations. Indigenous peoples revered the falls as sacred, a testament to the power of nature. Today, millions of visitors from around the globe come to witness this natural wonder. Join me now as we delve deeper into the majesty of Niagara Falls, Canada. We'll explore its history, its attractions, and the many adventures that await you. Let the cosmic dance of water and time begin. Our journey begins with a simple question. Where is this cosmic wonder located? Niagara Falls, one of the most breathtaking natural spectacles in the world, straddles the border between two countries. Niagara Falls sits on the Niagara River, marking the border between Ontario, Canada, and New York, USA. This iconic location is a must-visit for travelers from all over the globe. The Canadian side of the falls is located in the city of Niagara Falls, Ontario. This vibrant city offers a unique perspective and a host of attractions that complement the natural beauty of the falls. Getting to Niagara Falls is a breeze. Whether you're coming from near or far, there are multiple convenient options to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. If you're flying, the closest major airport is Toronto Pearson International Airport. This bustling hub connects you to Niagara Falls with ease. From there, it's a scenic drive of about an hour and a half. The route is filled with picturesque landscapes that make the journey as delightful as the destination. Prefer the train? No problem. The train ride offers a relaxing and scenic alternative. Via Rail offers comfortable service to Niagara Falls from various cities. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the countryside views as you make your way to this natural wonder. And of course, you can always embark on a classic road trip, enjoying the picturesque landscapes along the way. The open road offers a sense of freedom and adventure. Once you arrive, you'll find a city ready to welcome you. The hospitality here is second to none, ensuring your visit is memorable from start to finish. Niagara Falls is open to visitors year-round, with attractions and activities for every season. Whether it's the vibrant colors of fall or the sparkling ice formations in winter, there's always something to see and do. Parking is plentiful, with options for both short-term and long-term stays. You'll never have to worry about finding a spot for your vehicle. And if you need any assistance, friendly and knowledgeable staff at the Visitor Center are always happy to help. They can provide information, maps, and tips to make your visit even better. Now that you know how to get there, let's dive into the heart of the experience. The awe-inspiring attractions of Niagara Falls. From boat tours to observation decks, there's no shortage of ways to experience the falls up close.
Welcome to Niagara Falls, where the adventure begins the moment you arrive. The sheer power and beauty of the falls will leave you in awe. Whether you come by plane, train, or car, you're in for a treat. Each mode of transportation offers its own unique experience and views. The city is designed to make your visit as smooth as possible, with plenty of parking and year-round activities. There's always something happening, no matter when you visit. And don't forget, our visitor center staff is always here to assist you with a smile. They're dedicated to making your trip as enjoyable and stress-free as possible.
Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the main attractions of Niagara Falls, each one a masterpiece sculpted by the relentless power of nature. This iconic destination has been drawing visitors from around the globe for centuries, and it's easy to see why. Our first stop is the undisputed star of the show, Horseshoe Falls. This magnificent waterfall is a true testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of nature. Horseshoe Falls, also known as the Canadian Falls, is the largest and most impressive of the three waterfalls that make up Niagara Falls. Its sheer size and power are simply breathtaking. Its name comes from its distinctive horseshoe shape, a testament to the forces that have shaped it over millennia. The curve of the falls creates a mesmerizing visual effect that is truly unforgettable. Standing at a staggering 176 feet tall and over 2,600 feet wide, Horseshoe Falls is a sight that will leave you breathless. The sheer volume of water cascading over the edge is a powerful reminder of nature's might. Next, we venture to the brink of the abyss on the journey behind the falls. This unique attraction offers a perspective like no other, allowing you to get up close and personal with the falls. This immersive experience takes you through tunnels carved into the bedrock, leading you to observation decks at the foot of the falls. Here you can truly appreciate the immense power and beauty of Horseshoe Falls. Feel the mist on your face, and listen to the thunderous roar as tons of water crash down just feet away. It's an experience that engages all your senses and leaves a lasting impression. For a different perspective, hop aboard the Hornblower Niagara Cruises. These boats offer a thrilling way to experience the falls from the water. These iconic boats take you on an unforgettable voyage to the base of all three falls. The journey provides a unique vantage point and a sense of adventure. Feel the spray on your skin as you get up close and personal with this natural wonder. The proximity to the falls is exhilarating and offers fantastic photo opportunities. These are just a few of the many attractions that await you at Niagara Falls. Each visit offers new experiences and memories to cherish. From the Skylon Tower's panoramic views to the Botanical Garden's tranquil beauty, there's something to captivate every visitor. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to marvel at nature's wonders, Niagara Falls has it all. Section 4. Beyond the spray, adventures await. While the falls themselves are the undeniable stars, Niagara Falls offers a galaxy of adventures beyond the mist. From heart-pounding thrills to serene escapes, there's something for everyone. Prepare to be surprised by the sheer variety of activities that await. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or someone who prefers a slower pace, Niagara Falls has it all.
For thrill seekers, Niagara Falls is an adrenaline junkie's paradise. The rush of excitement is never far away. Soar above the falls on a helicopter tour, taking in breathtaking aerial views. The perspective from above is truly awe-inspiring. Or, if you dare, try ziplining across the Niagara Gorge, feeling the wind in your hair as you glide past this natural wonder. It's an experience you won't soon forget.
If a more relaxed pace is more your style, fear not. There's plenty to enjoy without the adrenaline rush. Niagara Falls offers a wealth of cultural experiences. Dive into the rich history and vibrant culture of the area. Explore the history of the region at the Niagara Falls History Museum, where stories of the past come to life. Or catch a Broadway-style show in the city's vibrant entertainment district. The nightlife here is as exciting as the day.
And let's not forget the foodies. Culinary adventures await at every corner. Niagara Falls is a melting pot of culinary delights. The variety of food here is simply astounding. From fine dining restaurants with stunning views of the falls to cozy pubs serving up local craft beers, the options are endless. There's something to tantalize every palate. Every meal is an adventure in itself. I've been coming to Niagara Falls every summer since I was a child, says Sarah, a local resident. There's always something new to discover, whether it's a hidden hiking trail or a new restaurant. The magic of Niagara Falls lies in its ability to surprise and delight, no matter how many times you visit.
Section 5. Tastes of Niagara, a culinary journey. Our cosmic exploration of Niagara Falls wouldn't be complete without sampling the local flavors. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary journey that's as diverse and exciting as the destination itself.
One dish that simply can't be missed is the Niagara Falls butter tart. This Canadian classic, with its flaky pastry and gooey filling, is a local favorite. You'll find bakeries throughout the city offering their own unique takes on this iconic treat.
For a taste of the region's bounty, head to one of the many farm-to-table restaurants. These establishments pride themselves on using fresh, locally sourced ingredients to create dishes that showcase the best of Niagara's culinary scene.
We're so lucky to have such amazing produce and products right here in Niagara, says Chef Michael, owner of a popular farm-to-table restaurant. It's a joy to share the flavors of our region with visitors.
No matter your taste or budget, Niagara Falls has something to satisfy your cravings. So come hungry and embark on a culinary adventure you won't soon forget. Section 6. Planning your cosmic encounter. Tips for travelers. As with any cosmic journey, a little planning goes a long way in ensuring a smooth and unforgettable experience at Niagara Falls. Here are some tips to help you make the most of your trip.
First, consider the best time to visit. While Niagara Falls is stunning year-round, each season offers a unique perspective. Summer is peak season, with warm weather and bustling crowds. Fall brings vibrant foliage, while winter transforms the falls into a magical winter wonderland. Spring offers blooming flowers and fewer crowds.
When it comes to packing, comfort is key. Be sure to pack comfortable shoes as you'll be doing a lot of walking. Layers are always a good idea as the weather can be unpredictable. And don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture every moment of your Niagara Falls adventure.
As for costs, Niagara Falls offers a range of accommodations, dining and activity options to fit every budget. Be sure to factor in transportation, attraction fees and meals when planning your trip. By following these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to experiencing the magic of Niagara Falls.
Section 7, Niagara Falls. A universe of wonder awaits. Our journey through the wonder that is Niagara Falls draws to a close, but the memories we've created will last a lifetime. From the thunderous roar of the falls to the vibrant city that surrounds them, Niagara Falls, Canada, is an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. We've explored the falls' awe-inspiring beauty, delved into their rich history, and discovered the wealth of adventures that await beyond the mist. We've sampled local flavors, met passionate locals, and gathered valuable tips for planning an unforgettable trip. Now, it's your turn to embark on your own cosmic encounter with Niagara Falls. Come witness the power of nature, embrace the spirit of adventure, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Niagara Falls, a universe of wonder.